In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to outline text in Canva. Whether you're adding a creative touch to your graphic designs or simply enhancing the readability of your text, outlining can really make your words stand out. Let's dive right in. To get started, first head over to canva.com. If you haven't yet logged in, you'll find the login button conveniently located in the upper right corner of the home page. You can sign in using your Google, Facebook, or email credentials, providing you with a flexible range of options depending on how you prefer to manage your accounts. Once you're logged in, it's time to create a new design or locate an existing one that you'd like to work on. You have the freedom here to start fresh with a blank canvas or build on a previous project. This flexibility allows you to make adjustments seamlessly, catering to both beginners and those more experienced with Canva. Now, let's add some text. On the left side of your editor panel, you'll see the text option. Click here to pop out the text options. You can choose to add a heading, a subheading, or even just a small body of text. It's entirely up to you based on your design needs. This straightforward approach makes inserting text simple and convenient. After your text is in place, you'll need to click directly on the text box that you wish to outline. This selection step is crucial because it lets Canva know exactly which text element you'd like to modify. This is where the fun part begins. With your text box selected, look towards the toolbar at the top of the screen and navigate to the Effects tab. This is where you'll find various text treatments to choose from, an excellent resource for anyone looking to experiment with text appearance and enhancements. In the Effects tab, go ahead and select the outline effect from the list of available options. This feature adds an outline to your text with a single click, instantly giving it more prominence and flair. Keep in mind, visual enhancements like this can really make a difference in drawing attention to specific parts of your design. Finally, to ensure your outlined text perfectly matches your design, you can modify the outline's color and thickness. Canva provides intuitive controls to adjust these settings, allowing you to customize the appearance to suit your taste or project requirements. Experiment with different combinations until you achieve a look that complements your overall design. And there you have it. Outlining text in Canva is a simple yet impactful way to enhance your designs, offering you plenty of room for creativity and personalization. I hope you found this guide helpful and don't hesitate to explore more features within Canva to take your designs to the next level. Thanks for watching and happy designing.